In this video, I will show you how to accept appointments in Hostinger Website Builder. This is my website homepage in Hostinger Website Builder, and to start accepting appointments in this website, just go to Website Settings, then click on Appointments. Just to let you know, I'm now in my store management area. Now click on Enable Appointments. To edit your availability, just click on Edit Availability button. You can edit your working hours or working days. You can enable working Saturday and Sunday. Also the working hours, just from here you can delete something or add, for example, the morning and for something in the evening. Now click on save. Let's delete this. Now click on save. Click on save. You can also block time by clicking on this button. From this calendar, just pick days when you are not available and click on save. And in this calendar, you can see the time slots booked by your customers or the days that you have blocked. Now, what you should do is to create a product to book. For that, click on products from this left side menu. Click on add products. Go with appointment. From this list, you can go between visible or hidden. Upload your product photo, an image like this one, for example. You can add multiple images. Give your product a title, for example, dental appointment. The subtitle, ribbon, are optional. You can skip them. Here you can describe your dental appointment product. This is a dental appointment product description I got using ChatGPT. Here you can add some additional information. For the pricing, you can make it disabled like this. So in this case, the price field becomes optional. When enabled, you can select between price types or to go with an amount, for example, 25, or go for free. Even though this discount price field is not required, you cannot add a product without it. So you can go with $50 here and 25 here. Under categories, you can assign a category. If you don't have categories yet, go to categories and add one and go back here and assign it to this product. Under time and place, you can set your location to let your client know where the event will take place. This is an example of a location. Or you can put in my office. Here, set your appointment duration, for example, 60 minutes. Here you can go between minutes and hours. And just to let you know, the duration cannot be under 15 minutes. Let's go with 60 minutes. Under appointment condition, this is optional. You can set a minimum notice time, for example, 2 days. With this 2 days condition, for example, the client won't be able to book the event for tomorrow. And in this your availability section, double check if your business hours are set correctly. Click on edit availability. Make sure the days are set correctly, also the time zones, and hit save. Also, if you need to block some days, you can select them just like that and click save, for example. Now click on save to add display this dental appointment product in my website. Go back to your website builder by clicking on this edit website button. You can add, for example, an add section like this. From this left side menu, click on online store. You can select a single product. Now click on edit section. Under product, select your dental appointment product just like that and close this option. Now let's update my website. View site online, and this is my dental appointment system added to my website. As you can see, this is my price. This is my discounted price. This session duration, the location, the book now button, my photo, my product description. Let's click on book now. A new appointment window open up. Now today is the 25th, so the next available time is in the next 2 days. Let's, as you can see, all the other days are strike through. So let's see the next month. Yes, I can book this Thursday. Click on it. The time slots are here. As you can see, I start in the 8 a.m. and I finish in the 4 p.m. Let's go with 10 a.m. The dental appointment details are updated instantly. Click on book. Now I'm in the checkout. Fill in your information. These fields can be edited, and also the payment methods can be updated or added. Now click on place an order.